Hello and welcome to the new episode of on Education by College Dunya. Hello sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Myself, Dr. Pawan Kumar Basniwal. I am from PhD in pharmaceutical chemistry, and I have 19-year experience. Along with, I have two book authored and more than 50 publications in my credit. Along with, I have a number of YouTube lectures which are available on YouTube, as well as available on the RUHS website, which is authenticated by RUHS only.
Okay sir, that's great. Sir, can you please tell us what is leadership according to you?
लीडरशिप बेसिकली एक गुण है या एक करैक्टर है जिससे हम हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को एक साथ लेके हम उनको गाइड कर पाएँ और फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को इस तरह से गाइड करें कि वो हमारा कम्प्लीटली बच्चों में जो चीज़ हम देना चाह रहे हैं वो कम्प्लीटली आ जाए। डिसिप्लिन के साथ में हम जो इनपुट करना चाह रहे हैं वो सारी की सारी चीज़ फॉलो करें और उस चीज़ को एग्जीक्यूट करें।
Great sir, that's great. And sir, can you please tell us what are the courses which Shri Balaji provides for the student?
Basically, Sri Balaji College of Pharmacy provides two types of course: B Pharm, Bachelor of Pharmacy, and D Pharm, Diploma in Pharmacy. B Pharm 4-year degree courses है, Diploma 2-year diploma course है, and we are planning for M Pharm as well.
Okay sir, that's great. And sir, do you have placements and internship for students?
Yes, it is a part of our curriculum as well in SBSS because SBCP is running under the aegis of SBSS, Sri Balaji Shiksha Samiti, and we have a especially TPO section which provide time to time placement as well as guidance. And different training programs are also running in this section.
Great sir, that's actually great. And sir, can you please tell, according to you, education sector, as you are in an education sector, is education sector is the best sector to work in?
Yes, definitely, because एजुकेशन सेक्टर बेसिकली है क्या कि हम जनरली कोई इंडस्ट्री होता है वो इंडस्ट्री कुछ आर्टिकल्स बनाता है, हम ह्यूमन बीइंग बनाते हैं जो हमारे सोसाइटी में जाके सर्व करने वाले हैं और एक एजुकेटेड और वेल मैनर्ड ह्यूमन बीइंग को ट्रेंड करते हैं जो हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, नेशन के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
ग्रेट सर, दैट्स ग्रेट. एंड सर, कैन यू प्लीज टेल अस, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, which education system is the best, Indian or the foreign?
Definitely Indian. I favor the Indian education system because in Indian education system we provide moral values as well as ethical values that are very important instead of technical knowledge. Because with the technical knowledge, if we give moral values, ethical values, and being a human being, that is more important than technical values.
And sir, how do you train students with the practical knowledge?
And basically, B Pharm and D Pharm is a theory as well as a practical, and we have different curriculum in the different subjects. For the practicals, like that dosage form formulation, in the purity analysis, drug designing. These are all the practical aspects which are including in our curriculum.
Great sir, that's great. Sir, can you please give a short message and feedback for the student watching this interview of yours?
Definitely, मेरा सभी स्टूडेंट से यही रहेगा, आप बालाजी कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी आके देखें, ज्वाइन करें और अपने ड्रीम्स को पंख लगाएं और अपने सक्सेस पाएं। थैंक यू।
Great sir, thank you so much for your precious time with College Dunya today. Thank you so much sir.
Thank you.